Okay guys,
Bye, Mama.
so first what I'm going to do is detangle her hair. So spray this. My freaking thing fell, so it's spraying on them. Oh, I bought a new one. I should have just traded the cap. Do you guys hear the rain? It's raining outside. Oh, so normally I would do it like this. I would part it like right here and right here and just do it like that. But since she is her hair is getting really long, it tends to just like get a little puffy right here and just doesn't look put together. So now I'm gonna start grabbing this hair and grab this side. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of baby oil. A little goes a long way, guys. Like when I mean a little, like I literally just, if not, your baby's hair is gonna look all oily and greasy. Okay guys, so we are on hairstyle number 2. So again, your best friend right here. This is gonna be the regular pigtails. So part it in the middle. It's not gonna be straight because you know babies move around. You're gonna grab your little liga and put it up. Done. Now I'm gonna grab one of these. You guys remember these from back in the day? Bring them back. Bring them back for your kids. Here's the other one. Here goes look number 2. Alright guys, we're here with another hair tutorial for this little princess. My tutorial is a little different. I'm doing it in separate days because I don't want to mess with my daughter's hair too much in one day. And also, it's already hard to do one. So the one I'm going to do is going to be similar to the last one, except this time, instead of just grabbing these right here, I'm going to grab everything right here. Hey, Mama. Hi, Mama. I'm going to distract her.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Mama. Bye, YouTube. See you later.
Bye.
Oh, she's like, good night.
Alright guys, so this is the next hairstyle. So now we are going to part it. We're going to be doing little boxes, so we're going to be doing 3. So 1, 2. So again, grab that hair. Then do another box. Like another one. Okay, so you have that one. You're gonna grab the first one. So you're gonna twist it. You're gonna twist it. You're gonna connect it. You're gonna twist that together. Okay, twist those together. You're gonna get a different color liga. Or the same, it really doesn't matter. But I like doing different colors. Then you're gonna put that liga right there. Then you grab the last one. Twist the second one. Connect it to the last one. Twist those 2 together. Grab another liga. I'm doing another pink. She's starting to learn how to move around and stuff, so she does not want to stay in place anymore. Oh, normally when her hair was a little bit shorter, now it's starting to get way long and it's not sticking up all pretty like it used to, but it used to be like it would have the little flare like that, the little palm trees.
Mama.
So either you could leave it like this, or you could do the little like a little bun thing. Cover it up because her hairs don't stick up like little palm trees anymore. So I'm gonna grab both of them, put them together. Ow. And put those two together. And again, either you could leave it like that, or you can do a little bun.